Hey, what's up guys? Trent here. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a YouTuber or not, is it too late to start YouTube in 2020? Long answer short, no it's not. I have a phenomenal example for you guys. Check this out. This channel right here, his name is Airrack. He currently has about 439,000 subscribers. Earlier this year, looking back at this interview right here, he had roughly 1,500 subscribers in February. That's less than 5 months ago.
Come on.
Your YouTube channel, you're probably like sub 500,000 subscribers, but well on his way.
Thank you, my brother.
Clever. What are you at?
Thank you, my brother. I'm at 1,500 right now, quickly growing.
Shortly after this interview with Logan Paul, through his persistence, he ended up buying Logan Paul's couch, made it into a video, took the couch skydiving, took the couch surfing, and even then took the couch to Jake Paul's house and boxed Jake Paul. All of these events and buying this couch helped him grow his YouTube channel substantially, and it just proves that it's not too late to start YouTube in 2020. Furthermore, he even just got selected by Jake Paul in a contest to join Jake Paul in Los Angeles at the Team 10 house as a full-time content creator.
What I'm thinking right now is 2 guys, Eric and Tucker, that submitted, and these 2 girls.
4 new roommates? That's a squad.
For real? There could be like a roommate Olympics.
As a YouTuber myself, congratulations to him, and it's super inspiring to see someone start the year off in 2020 with 1,500 subscribers and less than 6 months later have over 430,000 subscribers. It's absolutely phenomenal. So guys, what I was thinking on this channel, it's more than possible for an average person to begin a YouTube channel and start growing. And the only way to do that is by asking you guys to please subscribe and like the video if you're enjoying the content. Guys, I'm making this video for fellow creators and people who are thinking about starting YouTube, or people who are just curious about the process. So my dream for the last couple of years, and I always had it in the back of my mind, was to start a YouTube channel. So I'm so happy with myself that I'm doing it now. But I regret many years of not starting because I'd be much further ahead if I just would have started. I use all the classic excuses. The market's too saturated, it's too late, people will judge me, will people even watch my stuff, etc., etc. I don't have enough time. The list goes on, but one day I eventually said, okay, enough's enough. I took a break from social media and I figured out, what do I really want? So I started YouTube. And a great analogy that I think you guys will love is think of your YouTube channel as the Chinese bamboo tree. This tree in particular takes about 5 years to grow. You have to water and fertilize the ground each day, and it doesn't even break through the surface until the 5th year. But once it does break through the surface, the ground, it takes about 5 weeks to grow 90 feet tall. The question is, does it grow 90 feet tall in 5 weeks or 5 years? I think the answer is quite simple. It takes 5 years. If at any point the person stopped watering or fertilizing that dream or the bamboo tree, it would have died in the ground, or it never would have even gotten off the ground. And I think this is a wonderful comparison to your YouTube channel, because you may not get any results for years, but once your channel finds its own community, it's gonna begin growing exponentially, and you'll love it. You even make it monetize. You'll be helping people. You'll be helping yourself. And it's just a win-win all around if you can create a successful YouTube channel that adds value to people, and you can reap rewards as well and have that nice bamboo tree in your backyard or a ton of subscribers. So for those of you guys who are thinking about starting a channel, who already have an existing channel that you're growing, or just like to watch videos, I think that this will be helpful for you. So based on my own experience of growing my channel, I started about 2.5 months ago. I have about 270 subscribers on the channel. You guys are amazing. And something that always comes up when I'm on YouTube is comparison. So I see all these other channels in my niche and I think, okay, how many videos have they created? How many views do they have? How quickly have they gotten to that point? And it's always just toxic. And I see that in my career as well. We're about to end Q2 here and start Q3 tomorrow, July 1st. People are getting promoted, some people are being left behind. And it's easy to sit here and say, okay, Trent, you're 24. Where am I at versus my expectations, where other people are, where other people's expectations of me line up? And it ends up just leading to a bad outcome. I find myself comparing. When I do that, I talk about this a lot, but comparison is never good. So what I've been really trying to focus on is just realizing my own self-worth, recognizing my own self-esteem, and that will then help build my confidence and help me get closer to where I want to be. So I'd encourage you guys to think about, what do you guys ultimately want? Because 99 out of 100 people on the street or your friends ask them, hey, say, hey, what do you want? Most people can't tell you that, or maybe you don't even have an answer, but think about what you want. And if your day-to-day actions aren't mapping towards that, you probably will never achieve that outcome. So for example, my goal is to grow the YouTube channel and to get and help other people. And it's really tough to do that while having a full-time software sales job. Oftentimes in the evenings, you have to sacrifice leisure time, think about what you're gonna say, type it up, put the video out, create it. Takes a little bit of time, but ultimately I'm starting to like the process a lot, and I'm just doing it for fun, and I hope it helps you guys out as well. So make sure to let me know in the comments what you guys think of this video. Maybe in regards to your own YouTube journey. I know a lot of YouTubers watch this as I'm watching you guys. It's a mutual benefiting thing, commenting on one another. So let me know what you guys think about your own journey. And yeah, let's show on this channel how it's still possible to grow a YouTube channel in 2020. So make sure to like and subscribe to the video. And until next time, have a great week.